Hello everyone, thank you so much for being here. I spent some time during my quarantine painting and creating in my little art studio in the countryside of Italy. I enjoy these days because as an artist I spend a lot of time alone at home working and painting. So I started to make this new series. I asked my followers on Instagram about how they found their freedom in the quarantine and what kind of activities make them stay sane in a way. This was a really great exercise to feel gratitude and help each other mentally, that we are not alone with our struggles. Because this is obviously a hard time for everyone, and for me that is the beauty of it in a way, because we are all in this together. For some it's harder and for some it's easier, but we are all facing our fears and our weak points. But I think it's really a good occasion to learn about ourselves as well. I will make an exhibition video about these paintings. If you want this to happen, please show me with your likes or in the comments. And I hope you had a wonderful day. Please take care of yourselves and each other and wear a mask. Ciao!